How to bold text in WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to bold your text in WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on to the WhatsApp Messenger application, let's first visit the App Store, or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and let's search for WhatsApp. So what we're going to do here is to check if our WhatsApp is up to date. So as you can see here, I have opened up the page for WhatsApp Messenger and it shows an update button. That means that my WhatsApp is currently outdated. So if that is your case as well, just click on the update button so that you will be having the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to bold text within a conversation. So however, if that says open, that means that your WhatsApp is currently updated and you're good to go. Assuming that I am now done updating my WhatsApp, I'm just going to open up WhatsApp right here, and I have opened up a conversation with myself. So basically just click on this little space below at the bottom part of the screen so that you can type the message you want to send to the user or your friend in WhatsApp. So just simply type in the text that you want to bold. So for example, hey there, you can just select all the text if you want to bold the whole message that you want to send. After that, these options should pop up. So right beside the copy option, there is the option with the different text styles. So just click on that and it will show for text styles. So since we are showing how to bold text, just click on bold over here so you can just send it and it will be in bold text. Also, you can do this with only one word or selected words. So for example, just gonna bold the hey word, click on that and click on bold again, and that will be the only word that will be bold as you send the text. So that is how you can basically bold text in WhatsApp. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.